Hello everyone. So we are gonna solve a problem related to arithmetic series and sequence. This particular problem is from my AS level textbook, but I think many of the igcse O-level students would be able to solve this problem. So let's just get into it. And the sum of Sn of the first n term of the arithmetic sequence is given by Sn. It is given us Sn formula 3n n plus 2. But we know the standard formula for the Sn in arithmetic sequences n by 2 a plus l, l being the last term, the nth term. And in the question, if we read further, the nth term of the series is defined as tn. So in our standard formula we can substitute l for tn, so we get this. So if the left hand side of the equation are the same, the right hand side of the equation would be the same, so we can equate those two equations. So 3n n plus 2 equals n by 2 a plus tn. These n's cancels out and we will multiply both sides by 2, so we get 6n plus 12 equals tn plus a. This would not be any difficult to this point, but and we will try to get tn on the other side, and 6n plus 12 minus a. So at this point we only want to know about the relationship between t and n. We don't want to find a. It would be difficult for us to calculate to find the value of n if we don't know about a, so we have to find a in this process. So a bit of theory is related to this. When we say Sn, we mean that in the arithmetic series and sequence we are adding up all the terms in the sequence. So this would be the first term, this would be the second term, this would be the third term. Sn meaning we would be adding up to the nth term. So to get only the a, we have to only add the first term. So S1 equals a. So if we know this, we can just substitute the value of n as 1 in this formula and we will get an answer for a. So S1 equals a, and 3 1 1 plus 2 equals a equals 9. So we get a value for a, and we will add this in the tn formula. Tn equals 6n plus 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. So we get a formula for tn, we have a formula for Sn. So what the question is asking us is find the value of n if 4tn plus 4 plus 12 equals Sn minus 4. So we will just copy the equation. 4tn plus 4 plus 12 equals Sn minus 4. So since we know all the formulas, we can just plug the n values as n plus 4 and n minus 4 in their respective formulas. So t, in this nth value we have to add n plus 4. So 6 n plus 4 plus 3 plus 12 equals, and we know the Sn formula as, let me just rewrite this, Sn formula given is 3n n plus 2, and if we add the n value as n minus 4 we get n minus 2. Yeah, so writing this n minus 4 and n minus 2. So we can see where this is going. We have only the variable n term is left, so we can easily find the value for n. We'll just have to do some quick arithmetics. And 6 into 4 is 24, 24n plus 96 plus 12 plus 12 equals 3n minus 12 n minus 2, and we get the value plus 120 equals, we just have to multiply these and we will form a quadratic equation. 3n squared minus 18n and plus 24, I think. Yeah, so we have got to this point and we can easily do this by forming a quadratic equation. Minus 24 minus 18 would be 42n minus 96. At first we will divide the whole equation by 3 on the both sides, so this is going to be 14n minus 32, and to factorize the quadratic equation you will use a simpler method. 16 into 3 is 32. We have to subtract that, and subtracted value should be larger, so minus 16 would be larger, and this is going to be plus n minus 16 n plus 2 equals 0, and we get the n value as n equal to 16 or n equal to minus 2, but only the 16 is going to be the answer because n is the nth term. In the nth term we can be using a negative value, so this value is rejected by logic. So yeah, this is a fun problem, and I had to think about it for a while because I didn't know how to find the value of a, but I just stumbled upon thinking about what Sn was, and I thought S1 would be equal to a. So yeah, I figured out how to do a. Since it has given us formula for Sn, we just plug the n value as 1 and we get the value of a. From that point it is quite easy, and we can find the value of n quite easily. Yeah, that's it.